How to fix Snapchat story not deleting. This usually happens due to weak internet, app glitches, or cached data issues. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi Fi, try switching to mobile data for a stronger connection. Next, open Snapchat and go to your profile by tapping your Bitmoji icon. Tap My Story, then open the story you want to delete. Tap the three-dot menu and select Delete Snap, then confirm by tapping Delete. If the story still won't delete, make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version. You can check for updates in the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. My Snapchat app is already updated, so I won't show the update process on screen, but you can simply follow these steps on your device. After updating, try deleting the story again. If the issue still continues, you can clear the cache data. Go to Snapchat Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Data, then tap Clear. Then tap Clear Cache. Then tap on Clear. Confirm the action by tapping OK and restarting the app. Now open Snapchat again and try deleting the story one more time. In most cases, this fixes the Snapchat story not deleting issue. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, tricks, and tutorials like this.